Hello, I am Melvyn Weeks. I'm a professor of economics at the University of Cambridge, and I am a fellow of Clare College that you can see in the background. Um, if you're watching this video, I'm assuming you had some interest in attending the course on machine learning for prediction, causal effects, and classification that will be held at Sydney Sussex College on April 19th to the 21st of April. If you've had a chance to look at the course outline, I think you'll get a sense that I will be covering a wide area, and I like to think of the material that I'm covering as representing sort of three related literatures. The first literature or body of work we can think of is that covering causal estimation and inference. You may have some background, you may be an economist or social scientist, you've got a background in econometrics, and you're interested in extending your knowledge of econometrics for causal inference and going beyond specifying parametric models to being a little bit more agnostic about functional form, still utilizing identification strategies to get a good estimate of your causal effect, but seeking to be less restricted in terms of the model specification. Another literature that we will be leveraging is the literature in high dimensional statistics. And there we'll be looking at material on penalized regression, specifically methods such as lasso and elastic net that will allow us to confront a large, potentially very large number of regressors and select those which are deemed the most important. In that sense, we are trading off bias and variance and trying to prevent overfitting. The other literature that we will be making reference to is the literature on machine learning for prediction. We have significant capabilities in that area, so we will be learning from that and effectively bringing those three literatures together, allowing us to estimate causal effects, specified treatment methods, and so on, combining the strengths and the specifics of each of those literatures. As you might imagine, that these, because of this relatively large area with these three specific strands, the vernacular around machine learning for causal effects for prediction is quite challenging. You might have come across terms such as double robust methods, double debiased methods, double lasso or orthogonalization, sample splitting, honest estimation, cross-fitting, and so on. All of these will encounter all of these throughout the course, and once we've been through these, looked at them in detail, some of the sort of black boxes which permeate this literature, we will open up, and you will be able to hopefully get a better understanding of these particular techniques. So why would you want to take the course? Perhaps, or one way of looking at this is to think about different individuals coming from specific backgrounds. You could be a user of machine learning techniques, possibly from prediction, and you want to develop your knowledge and be able to utilize these techniques in other areas, potentially explore machine learning for causal effects, for example. You're an economist or a social scientist with a developed background in estimation and inference for policy making. And again, you want to sort of leverage what you know in that area and confront that knowledge with new methods that are being developed continuously. As a policymaker, you hear all the buzz about machine learning. You might be working alongside colleagues who have a deeper understanding of machine learning, and you want to be able to converse with them to understand what they're suggesting. This course is something it will provide you with the knowledge and the tools to be able to converse with your colleagues. You might also work in industry, and again, you want to have a better understanding of these tools, these methods that are playing out on social platforms, in the media, and so on. And the question you want to be able to answer is, are these tools useful for me? Will they save me time? It may be that some of these tools are not appropriate, but at least now a course such as this will allow you to make an informed decision whether such methods are helpful for you. So I think if you take the course, you'll come away with a deeper understanding of these methods, how you can employ them, what type of software do I need to be able to estimate these models. You'll have a broad understanding of the tools and what they mean, how I can use these methods to solve problems that I'm currently facing. And overall, I think the course will provide stimulation. It hopefully will help you address some of the problems in this area that you are facing, or issues that you need to develop. And on top of that, the course takes place at Sydney Sussex College, which is right in the centre of Cambridge. Maybe hard to believe, but it's a fun course. There's always a broad a spectrum of interests for the participants that take the course, and I believe that you will find it both stimulating and something useful for your particular problems. So hope you can come. One or more nights. We all go out in Cambridge as a group, and that's always a fun thing to do. And hopefully we'll also be able to have a dinner on at least one of the nights. So I hope you can come. Thank you for listening, and see you soon. Bye.